Hi sweetie, let's make cooking easy by making this delicious creamy sauce for us to eat delicious rice. So we are going to be needing beef. Get your beef ready and then add that inside a bowl like this. So here we have oregano, we have parsley, paprika, that is pepper, garlic powder, onions powder. Then add in salt, mix that together. So once you're done mixing, you are going to be having this gorgeous. So it's going to come out like this. Just keep it aside. Here I have this curd. So curd is the same as food cream. This is good to go. Now I'm going to be adding this parsley. Then adding oregano. Mix that together. So keep it aside. So here we are needing this pan. Here we have butter. Add it, let that to get met. So I'm going to be needing this bell pepper. Let me use this opportunity to get that slice. So now you are adding the beef. Then the curd. And then switch it around. Till now you get that covered. So sweetie, let's slice 2 medium size of onions. Add the oil over here. So now you're adding the bell pepper and at the same time adding the onions to fry. This ginger. So I add the pepper. I stir that together. I just let this to fry for 1 minute. I'm going to get that seasoned with this chicken cube. I add the parsley. I add the salt to taste. I stir. So we are going to be needing rice. So add the water, then I get that rice wash. At this point, the fry so perfect. So now, adding the washed rice. Stir that together like this, and we're having this gorgeous. So now adding water that is going to enable that to cook. So cover that to cook. So sweetie, here we have the beef. At this point the beef is ready. Look at that. See how yummy that looks. So sweetie, at this point we are going to prepare the cream. So we are going to be needing this cheese. So you can always use any cheese of your choice. So I'm using this burger cheese today. So now you open that like this. So you're going to be needing blender. So adding the cheese inside the blender. Now we are done with the cheese. So here we are going to be needing curd. So curd is same as food cream. So it depends what you call it over there. Don't add the cream over here. Just add all the cream over here like this. And make use of 2 cups of cream. So add it. I'm going to be adding water, a little bit of it. Then I cover that to get blend. So the cream is ready. Then keep it aside. I'm going to be adding butter on this pot. I'm going to be adding onions. So I'm adding this pepper. I'm adding the ginger paste. So just stir that together. Add the cream. I'm going to be adding this cheese. So stir that. So just adding the meat inside. So now I'm going to season that with nut cube. Say adding this parsley. Then adding salt to taste. Sweetie, this is 3 minutes later. It's coming out so perfect. Now you're going to be needing this. This is vegetable. That is palak. So adding the vegetable, then stir that together. Allow this again for another 3 minutes for it to get ready. So at this point, the rice is cooked. Look at that. This is so perfect and yummy rice recipe. Very easy to get done. And then it dries so perfect. We just turn off the heat. Now we turn off the heat. The sauce is ready. Look at that. This is so yummy. Wow. So it's perfect at this point. So yeah, let's serve. So over here, I'm going to be needing this bowl. Adding oil, a little bit of it. Do the same to this one. So do this braising around like this. Just grease the bowl, and then grease this one as well. So now you cover like this. So adding the rice over here. Just try to cover everywhere. Seal it up like this. So sweetie, now you are going to cover that. Then flip it around like this. So open. Look at that. Then bring out this one gently. Wow. Adding the cream over here. It is so beautiful. Can I get the yummy, 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 yummy. So yummy. So sweetie, let's taste our delicious. Wow, delicious food, very yummy. Don't forget to try this. We are going to get this done in a flicker of a minute in my next one. Bye. Don't forget to share.